Last October, something tried to get into my shed. My old camera missed it. Blurry motion. A missed alert. That was the moment I knew I needed the truth. Not specs from a box, but real performance. So for the last 3 months, through rain, snow, and pitch-black nights, I've tested the top 2026 outdoor security cameras on my property. The differences aren't just in video quality, they are in what gets saved, and what gets lost forever. The links to the cameras that passed are in the description. Let's see what really works. Number 1. SOLIOM Security Cameras. The SOLIOM 4K cameras for home security stand out with their remarkable ultra-high resolution capability, delivering stunning visuals at a crisp 3840 by 2160 pixels. This high-definition feature enhances surveillance, enabling users to clearly monitor their surroundings without missing critical details. One of the standout functionalities is the magnifier feature, which allows users to identify license plates even from a distance of 50 feet, 15 meters. This is particularly beneficial for monitoring vehicle activity in the vicinity, providing an added layer of security for homeowners. In addition to high-resolution video, the SOLIOM cameras are equipped with a powerful 450 lumen spotlight. This spotlight effectively brightens the area within 26 feet, 8 meters, during nighttime, allowing the cameras to capture vibrant and colorful details even in low-light conditions. Number 2. 4K Security Cameras. Enjoy total security and privacy with the Eufy security cameras designed specifically for outdoor use. These innovative wireless cameras require no cloud uploads or monthly fees, which means you can take control of your data without worrying about ongoing costs or potential breaches. All recorded videos are securely stored locally on a robust 64GB encrypted base station, ensuring that your valuable footage remains protected from hackers, unauthorized access, and even power outages. Designed to enhance your home security system, the base station features dual-band Wi-Fi support, operating on both 5 GHz and 2.4 GHz frequencies. This not only supports quicker data transfer rates but also helps mitigate congestion on your home network, allowing for a seamless internet experience. Number 3. Arlo Pro Security Camera. A cutting-edge 2K HDR security camera designed to enhance the safety and security of your home, equipped with advanced smart detection technology to minimize the occurrence of false alerts, ensuring that only relevant notifications reach you. This camera features auto zoom and tracking capabilities that allow it to follow movements, providing a higher level of vigilance for safeguarding your property. Setting it up is a breeze, thanks to its dual-band Wi-Fi connectivity which ensures a reliable connection. Additionally, the camera is powered by a swappable, rechargeable battery that offers seamless coverage without the annoyance of dealing with cumbersome wiring or frequent charging interruptions. The system allows you to customize alerts that matter most to you, enabling you to establish specific detections such as recognizing when the garage door opens, if your dog is lounging on the couch, or when a school bus arrives. Number 4. Blink Outdoor for XR. Install security cameras at impressive distances of up to 1,000 feet in open-air conditions or 400 feet when used in typical environments with your Sync Module XR. This extended range allows for a surveillance setup that is 4 times farther than conventional blink cameras that operate solely on Wi-Fi technology. Additionally, the innovative XR technology, which operates on the reliable 900 MHz frequency band, enhances your experience by providing live view access that is 20% faster. This means that even at longer distances, you can enjoy quicker and more seamless monitoring without the delays commonly associated with Wi-Fi interference and congestion. Furthermore, XR cameras boast a significantly more dependable connection, experiencing up to 70% fewer disconnects compared to cameras that rely exclusively on Wi-Fi. Number 5. SOLIOM 5MP Security Cameras. The SOLIOM 5MP outdoor security camera is designed to provide exceptional surveillance capabilities, capturing every detail with stunningly vibrant colors and clarity, whether during the day or at night. Its advanced features ensure that every moment is visible, leaving no detail overlooked. One standout feature is the magnifier zoom, which allows users to engage in live viewing of the camera feed. With just a tap on your screen, you can zoom in to reveal magnified details from approximately 30 feet away, giving you the ability to closely monitor specific areas or events happening in your vicinity. In terms of data storage, the SOLIOM camera system stands out with its no subscription, no monthly fee policy through SOLIOM base. This means that all recorded footage will be securely encrypted and stored directly in the SOLIOM base, eliminating any requirement for ongoing fees or hidden charges associated with cloud storage. Users are provided with a generous 32 GB of local storage capacity, which supports up to 2 months of continuous video loop recording. So that's the reality of outdoor security in 2026. It's not about the highest megapixels, it's about the camera that works when a shadow moves at 3 a.m. I sleep better knowing which systems are on this list. Every camera we trust, from the overall champion to the budget guardian, is linked below. If this real-world testing helps you protect what matters, do me a huge favor, hit that like button, it helps spread this crucial info. Share this with your neighbors, your family. Subscribe, hit the bell, because next week, we're revealing a terrifying flaw we found in a popular doorbell camera's cloud storage, and how to fix it before it's too late.